Hello and welcome to another Maths on the Move active maths quiz. I'm Andrew from Aspire Sports, and coming up we've got 10 maths quiz questions for you to tackle. For each question there's going to be 3 possible answers, and it's your job to match what you think the correct answer is to the movement shown on the screen. So you'll need to be up on your feet, and let's get started. Okay, the first question is, what is half of 4,800? What is half of 4,800? Have a second to think about that before the possible answers come on the screen. Okay, so for this one our options are, is it 240, is it 2,400, or is it 2,800? If you think it's answer A, 240, then it's star jumps. If you think it's answer B, 2,400, then it's jab punches. Or if you think it's answer C, 2,800, then it's pendulum legs. Well done if you were doing jab punches for question 1. The correct answer was 2,400. Okay, on to question 2, which is a rounding question. Can you round the number 4,636 to the nearest 10? Round 4,636 to the nearest 10. So our options for this one are, is it 4,630, is it 4,640, or is it 4,650? Have a look at the options on the screen, and if you think it's answer A, 4,630, it's the windmill movement. If you think it's B, 4,640, it's running on the spot. Or if you think it's answer C, 4,650, then it's the donkey kicks movement. Okay, stop there. 4,636 rounds to 4,640. So if you were running on the spot, you can give yourself another point. Okay, question 3. Question 3 is a time-based question. Can you work out how many minutes it is from 9:25 a.m. to 10:45 a.m.? So how many minutes is it from 9:25 a.m. to 10:45 a.m.? I'll give you a few seconds to try and work this one out. As always, there's going to be 3 answers in just a moment. Okay, so is it answer A, 70 minutes, answer B, 90 minutes, or answer C, 80 minutes? If you think it's 70 minutes, then the movement is star jumps. If you think it's 90 minutes, then it's burpees. Or if you think it's 80 minutes, then it's high knees. Okay, stop there. It is in fact 80 minutes. So if you were doing high knees, well done. On to question 4. Question 4 is about prime numbers. So which of the following numbers is a prime number? Which of the following numbers is a prime number? Is 22 a prime number? Is 21 a prime number? Or is 23 a prime number? Which of these numbers is a prime number? If you think it's answer A, 22, then it's bouncing on the spot. If you think it's answer B, 21, then it's performing that balance. Or if you think it's answer C, 23, then it's the spotty dogs movement. Okay, stop there. Well done. If you were up and moving there, the answer was answer C, 23. You can give yourself another point if you were doing spotted dogs. Okay, on to question 5. Which of the three numbers shown on the screen is the same as 3/4 of a million? So which of the numbers shown on the screen is 3/4 of a million? So have a few seconds before the answers pop up to have a think about which number you'd be expecting to come up. Okay, if you think it's answer A, then it's the butterfly movement for you. If you think it's answer B, then it's back flicks. Or if you think it's answer C, then it is that balance. Okay, well done. If you picked answer C, 750,000 is the same as 3/4 of a million. So on to question 6 now. And question 6 is a decimal based question. So the question is, what is half of 0.7? What is half of 0.7? I'll give you a few seconds to think about this before the answers come on the screen. Okay, so is it answer A, 0.07, answer B, 0.35, or answer C, 0.035? If you think it's answer A, 0.07, then it's pendulum legs. If you think it's answer B, 0.35, then it's the bend and shoot movement. Or if you think it's answer C, 0.035, then it's performing that balance. Okay, stop there. If you were bending and shooting there and chose answer B, well done. The correct answer is 0.35. On to question 7, which is another time-based question. The question is, if the time is 6:25 p.m., what will the time be in 45 minutes? If the time is now 6:25 p.m., what will the time be in 45 minutes? Okay, so our options are, is it answer A, 6:45 p.m, answer B, 7:05 p.m, or answer C, 7:10 p.m? If you think it's answer A, 6:45, then it's star jumps. If you think it's answer B, 7:05 p.m, then it's jab punches. Or if you think it's answer C, 7:10 p.m, then it's pendulum legs. And stop there. Well done. If you were doing pendulum legs, the correct answer was 7:10 p.m. On to question 8. Question 8 is, how many quarters are there in 1.5? How many quarters are there in 1.5? I'll give you a few seconds to think about the possible answer that could be. Okay, so the three possible answers are, is it answer A, 6, answer B, 4, or answer C, 8? If you think it's answer A, 6, then it's the windmill movement. If you think it's answer B, 4, then it's running on the spot. Or if you think it's answer C, 8, then it's the donkey kicks movement. And stop there. If you thought the correct answer was answer A, well done again. There are 6 quarters in 1.5. Okay, we move on to the penultimate question, question 9. Question 9 is, I'm thinking of a number, I double my number and then add 10 to make 50. What number was I thinking of? I'll read that again. I'm thinking of a number, I double my number and then add 10 to make 50. What number was I thinking of? Okay, so if you think the answer is A, 80, then it's star jumps. If you think it's answer B, 30, then it's burpees. Or if you think the answer is C, 20, then it's high knees. Okay, and stop there. If you thought the correct answer was answer C, then give yourself another point. On to the final question, and this question is about square numbers. Can you work out what the answer is to 11 squared take away 10 squared? What is 11 squared take away 10 squared? Have a few seconds to think about the answer. Okay, if you think it's answer A, 1, then it's bouncing on the spot. If you think it's answer B, 21, then it's holding that balance. Or if you think it's answer C, 111, then it's the spotty dogs movement. And stop there. If you thought the final answer was 21, then you can give yourself one final point. Well done. Okay, well done everyone. That does bring us to the end of today's Maths on the Move quiz. If you enjoyed it, keep a lookout for more active maths quizzes that you can have a go at, and we'll hopefully see you very soon.
The world around us is changing. You're faced with the new challenge of homeschooling your children. For some, this is a worrying prospect, and for those who are expected to work from home, it's a near impossible task. We worry that our children will fall behind, especially in the core subject areas of English and maths. Adding variety to your daily routine, whilst keeping your children motivated to learn and remembering to stay active, can be really difficult. The Mighty Maths home learning platform has been developed to help you right now. It keeps your children motivated, boosts confidence, and improves attainment in the fundamentals of maths through fun and frequent practice. Using the concept of active learning, Mighty Maths combines fun, on-demand videos to keep your children active, with short sets of varied maths arithmetic challenges. Written by teachers and used by primary schools nationwide, Mighty Maths has been developed in line with the national curriculum, so you can rest assured that the questions your children are tackling are appropriate for their age. And using it is really straightforward. There's no need for any printing. Simply select your video, work out with Tom, and then tackle the maths questions, all on any device. The answers are waiting to be revealed, meaning your children can evaluate their progress straight away. We want to help as many households as possible during this period, so we've reduced the price from £60 to just £5 until the 22nd of May. This gives you access to a library of workout videos and maths challenges for your child to tackle. And to keep things fresh, content is updated every 20 days. And like you, we want to support our NHS heroes however we can. which is why £1 of every Mighty Maths purchase will be donated to the NHS. To start using Mighty Maths in your daily homeschool routine, sign up today.